Hello, mathematicians and scientists, students of El Cerrito. It's Mrs. Ramirez. We were talking about today in class how to do our resource cited page, and I was looking up different articles and things, and I decided to try to find a YouTube video on Volkswagen tires, because that was my example, was about Volkswagens. It just kind of snowballed from there. So I did find some. So say I want to use this article.
Running late for the big game?
Let me pause it. So say I want this article. It's on best all-season tires, tested in dry, wet, and snow. And say I want to use this as one of my my resources for my science project. So say I'm looking up tires. I am going to copy this link, and then I'm going to go into Scribbr. So if you remember, we were trying Scribbr. I'm going to go back to the home page so you can see me do this from the beginning. So Scribbr was from that video we watched today. This YouTuber actually recommended Scribbr to help you with your citations. So we went to citation generator under the Scribbr.com in order to create our citation that we're going to use in our reference page. So there was this section that says cite a web page, book, article, or more. And I was really curious if the YouTube channel would work. And I'm going to paste that YouTube link here, cite, and it should create a citation for me. So just cited, excuse me. And so here is my reference list entry. That is actually what I'm going to copy. I'm going to click on that copy to clipboard and put into my reference page that we've been working on. Okay, so you should have made a copy of slideshow of one of my slideshows, or you created your own. So you're going to go into the slideshow for your science project, and you're going to go down to resource cited. And so it's should be kind of far down here. It's just loading slowly. And then I'm going to add it to my resource cited page. I think I've been testing this out, so I might have already done it, but let's see. If not, I'll go ahead and paste it right now. And again, it is taking a little while to load here. Here, my resource cited page. And no, I did not add it yet. So I'm going to add it right now. And again, it is just taking a minute to load here. Okay, and then I'm going to add it to the bottom here. Now this does need to be alphabetical, so after I paste that article here, I do want to kind of try to, there we go, return, and then now paste it. I want to paste it on the next line there. And then I'm going to do an indent. I know we talked about a hanging indent being different, but this is how we're going to do it for now. It's just easier for us. I do want this alphabetical, so I am going to move that, this one that says Coda. Let's select. There we go. I am going to move this up above. If it'll let me move it up there. Let's see. And it does. I just have to kind of readjust. Oh, it didn't. Okay, so let me just copy it. Oops. I do want to move it up, if it will let me. Sorry, it's just taking a while to load, you guys. I don't want to select all. I just want this one. There we go. I'm going to copy. I'm going to cut it, which is pretty much deleting it. And then I'm going to add it to the top, because C comes before T and S here. So I do want to move down. And this I moved up on accident, so let's move that down a little bit. And I'm going to insert it in front of the Solomon here. Trying to get in there, you guys. Sorry, it's just taking a minute. Here we go. Okay, so return. I do want that indent, and I'm going to add it up here. So paste. So now it's alphabetical. We have C, S, or T. C for Kota, S for Solomon, and T for tire reviews. So now I've added a third resource. You only needed to have two, but say I was looking up 3 and I started writing my background research paragraphs, my 2 summary paragraphs about my sources, and I decided, hey, I actually don't need one of these. I don't need the one from Kota, or I don't need the one from Solomon. You can actually copy and delete that out. So say I don't want this quota one anymore. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. So say I don't actually want that anymore. I can delete it. Okay, so I am going to delete it only if I didn't use it in my background research. But you still used it. So this is where we go to the appendix. And this was something, let me delete that. And say I want to add it now to my appendix. Let's add text box back in. I should have just deleted what was in there. Let's add that text box back in and paste. And now here's what I don't want to use in my research. Let me move it down. In my research, my background research summaries, but I want to show that I was looking up different things. So I did look up this quota, and I didn't use it, but I'm going to put it in my appendix. So anything in the appendices or this appendix here is anything extra you didn't use, but that you maybe looked up, or you took a picture of something that you ended up not using in your another part of your project. Anything extra is going to go here. So say again, in my research, I thought I was going to use this. I changed my mind. You can move it from the resource cited into the appendix. Okay, and this is just anything. So again, it can be pictures. It can be like a little note you made or a little drawing that you decided, again, not to use, but it is related to your project. Okay, I hope this helps. The main thing is getting your resource cited done, getting that background research done by Friday. So 2 summaries, one for each website that you looked up related to your article. Okay, hope this helped. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later on. Bye.